In a forest so snug, where the trees stand tall, lived a cuddly bear named Paul. With fur so brown and eyes so round, he loved to waddle all around. One sunny day, in the forest so green, Paul woke up, his fur all clean. "Hello, dear trees and flowers so bright. Let's have an adventure, oh what a sight!" So off he went, with a bearish cheer, through the forest, far and near. He waddled left and waddled right, in the forest where the sun was light. As Paul strolled, with a furry sway, he met a squirrel, at work all day. "Hello, dear squirrel, what's the scoop? Any nuts to share in your cosy troop?" The squirrel chattered with a bushy tail. "Hello, dear Paul, on a forest trail. Nuts I have in a cosy pile for a cuddly bear, oh what a smile." Paul giggled. "Thank you, my nutty friend, let's share and snack in the forest bend." So they sat together, under the tree so tall, munching on nuts, having a ball. But wait, what's this? A buzzing sound. A bee flew by, round and round. "Hello, dear bee, what's the buzz? In the forest where the flowers fuzz?" The bee hummed with a buzzy song. "Hello, dear Paul, waddle along to the flowers where the nectar flows, in the forest where the friendship grows." So off they went, a buzzing trio, Paul, the squirrel, and the bee. In a show, they danced with flowers in a meadow so sweet, in the forest where the joy was neat. As the day turned and the sun dipped low, Paul felt a yawn, oh so slow. "I'm getting sleepy, oh what a plight, in the forest where the stars twinkle bright." The squirrel nodded with a fluffy yawn. "Rest your paws, oh sleepy fawn, in the forest where the dreams take flight. Good night, dear Paul, sleep tight." So Paul waddled to his cosy den under the moon with a furry pen. He curled up tight with a bearish grin, whispering, "Good night, forest, sleep in." And so, in the quiet of the night so still, the forest slept under the moon's soft thrill, with dreams of bears and flowers so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light. Once upon a time, in a pond so pink, lived a fluffy flamingo named Flossie, I think. With feathers so vibrant and legs so tall, she was the queen of the pond, big and small. One sunny day, as the pond did gleam, Flossie decided to have a pinky dream. "I'll throw a party with a flap and cheer in the pond where the water is near." She wiggled her wings with a flamingo prance, inviting her friends to a pinky dance. Pelicans and turtles, come one, come all, to the pond where the pinkies call. The pelicans honked and the turtles clapped as they gathered round in the pond, all wrapped. Flossie giggled, "Let's dance and sway in the pond where the pinkies play." With a flap and a twirl, the pinkies moved in the pond where the water grooved. They dipped and swayed in a pinky trance in the pond where the pinkies dance. But wait, what's this? A frog so green hopped in the pond with a leap so keen. "Hello, dear Flossie. Can I join your show? I may not be pink, but I can glow." Flossie chuckled. "Of course, dear friend, in the pond where the parties never end. Jump and wiggle with a splash and spin in the pond where the fun's within." So the frog joined in with a hop so grand in the pond where the pinkies stand. The pelicans, turtles and frogs so spry danced together under the pond's pink sky. As the day waltzed on and the sun dipped low, Flossie felt a yawn, oh so slow. "It's time for bed, my pondy crew, in the pond where the dreams come true." The pelicans honked and the turtles cheered as the party ended and all disappeared. Flossie wiggled her wings with a gentle sigh, whispering, "Good night, pond, bye-bye." So Flossie waded to her cosy nest under the moon with a pinky rest. She curled up tight with a pinky grin, whispering, "Good night, pond, sleep in." And so, in the quiet of the pond, so pink, the water sparkled under the moon's soft wink. With dreams of pinkies and parties so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light.